Welcome back. Now we're checking in with our friends at Ecoline Windows and Doors.
Hi Mark and Mandy, welcome to Ecoline Windows. Let me show you around in our showroom. Here at our showroom, we'll be able to show you all of our high energy efficient windows, doors, and patio doors. We even have blinds. We manufacture and install all of our products. For example, this is a patio door that we have in our showroom here. We actually can make this to fit any size, any color to fit your home. Our entry doors are also customizable. You can get a lot of options for different glass, style, and design. Here's where you can meet our knowledgeable sales team. They are hard at work answering any questions or concerns you may have. Here we have our booking department. They are the ones who will book you in for your free in-home consultation, where our expert project managers will come in and be able to give you their expert advice on getting the best renovation for your home. Our service members are knowledgeable in every type of repair and part that you may need after your installation project is completed. Our logistics manager is in daily contact with all of our warehouses and our factory and shipping companies to ensure that everything arrives on time. We started 15 years ago in a small warehouse in Edmonton. Now we have a big warehouse, just like this one, in every major city in Canada. Our windows also come in a variety of colors and styles. Here, for example, we have a black casement window. That's a crank window and very easy to operate. Here is an example of a hung window. It's a great option for great airflow as well. Energy efficient, of course. We have some of our blinds right here that are remote controllable. The blinds are controlled from anywhere by your smartphone. Thank you so much for spending some time with me at our showroom today, Mark and Mandy. I hope to see you soon, and I hope you learned something today.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.